Concept 6. What is concept 6? Concept 6. Angle will be given. We need to find out the time period. If angle is given, how to find out the time period? First example, step by step I will tell you. Then I will tell you how to write the answer directly. Question. At what time between 5 to 6 pm, at what time between 5 to 6 pm will both the hands of a clock, at what time will between 5 to 6 pm will both the hands of a clock makes the following angles, write down this question. Srivani, in case if you are listening to the class for the first time, go back and see clocks session 1. Then you will understand all the important key points. If you are not listening to the class live and if the video is made private, you will be in a big loss. And that too during the lockdown time. Most of you are idle. If you cannot take out and do a productive work and wasting a time, then nobody can, right, tell you the difference between easy things and right things. Options: 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. 5 questions we will solve based on this one. Right? At what time between 5 to 6 pm will both the hands of a clock makes the following angles? First listen here. Concept. I will repeat the concept. Clock is in the form of a circle. There are total 12 hours in a clock. 12 hours is nothing but 60 divisions. That means in 1 hour our hand will go 5 divisions. In 1 hour it will go 5 divisions. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 5 divisions. 60 minutes is 5 divisions. 1 minute is nothing but 1 by 12 division per minute. 1 by 12 divisions. Please write down this point. This is something which we are going to use. Total there are 12 hours in a clock. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 1 hour is 60 minutes. If 60 minutes it is 5 divisions. 1 minute it is 1 by 12 division. I hope it is clear. Now, speed of our hand equivalent to distance by time. So if the time is 60 minutes, 1 hour it goes 5 divisions. So this will become 1 by 12 division per minute. 1 by 12 division per minute. Or you don't need to take this. Everything we will do it in our hand. Speed of minute hand d by t. 1 hour it is 60 minutes. In 1 hour every minute it will go to 1 division. These 1 by 2 division per minute. Please make a note of these both. These both we are going to use it. Speed of our hand, speed of minute hand. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Time is 60 minutes. In 1 hour it will go 5 divisions. 1 by 12 division per minute and minute is 1 division per minute. The first thing which we observed is speed of our hand is less than speed of minute hand. 1 by 12 is less than 1. 1 by 12 is less than 1. First 3 problems, everything I will explain step by step. 90 and 180 we will write it orally. 90 and 180 we will write it orally. Now see here. First one, 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Question is 5 to 6 pm. 5 to 6 pm. Now listen carefully. Method 1. Method 1. Method 1 is traditional method. Method 2 is derived method. What is method 1? Clock is in the form of a circle. 5 to 6 pm, our hand will be at 5. Minutes hand initially it is at 12. Minutes hand is at 12. Our hand is 5 o'clock. It has to make an angle of 30 degrees. Minute hand can come like this and make an angle of 30 degrees. One possibility. Another possibility, minute hand can move like this and make an angle of 30 degrees afterwards. That means this could be H2M, there could be an angle of 30 degrees. H2M, there could be an angle of 30 degrees. Or M to H, there could be an angle of 30 degrees. There could be an angle of 30 degrees. If I say the distance between me and Praveen is 2 units, I can be behind Praveen by 2 units, or I can meet Praveen, go ahead by 2 units. I can be behind by 2 units, I can go ahead by 2 units. First important conclusion, when I say it is 30 degrees, first, our hand is at 5 o'clock. Minutes hand will keep moving and can make an angle of 30 degrees. Minutes hand can be behind the hour hand. Minutes hand can be behind the hour hand. Point number 1. Or minutes hand can be ahead of the hour hand. There are two cases that are possible. There are two cases that are possible. First, see here. 60 divisions is nothing but 360 degrees. One division is nothing but 6 degrees. 6 degrees. If I take a scissor and cut it and make it into a straight line, our hand is at 5. Minute hand is at 12. Minute hand is at 12. Our hand is at 5. From 12 to 5. 12 to 5. 12 to 5, there are 5 hours, or everything we will do it in divisions only. There are 5 hours. 12 hours is 60 divisions. That means 1 hour is 5 divisions. Am I right? We did it everything in divisions. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. Listen carefully, sir. Till 3 problem, just listen. 12 to 5, total 5 hours difference. 5 5s are 25 divisions. Actually the difference is 12 to 5, which is 5 hours 25 divisions. But according to the question, it is 30 degrees. 60 divisions is 360 degrees. But I want 30 degrees. 360 by 12 is 30. 60 by 12 is 5 divisions. 60 by 12 is 5 divisions. 12 to 5, there is a gap of 5 hours. Each hour is 5 divisions. Actually, the gap is 5, but I want 5 divisions. That means minutes hand will travel 20 divisions and it will stop here. So that right now the gap is 5 divisions. Time equivalent to D by S1 minus S2. D it will travel is 20 divided by SH minus SM, which is 20 by 1 minus 1 by 12. This is one answer. This is one answer. Again I am repeating. Minutes 5 to 6 p.m. means our hand is at 5. If the hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12, totally the gap is 5 hours. Totally the gap is 5 hours. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 5 hours gap means 25. Actually the gap is 25 divisions, but I want only 5 divisions. So the gap will be 20 divisions. Gap will be 20. Why it is 20? Because I want 30 degrees. This is one case. Another case is minutes hand will travel 25 and will go ahead 5 divisions. 30 degrees can be when the hour hand is behind the minute hand or minutes hand is ahead of the hour hand. So time equivalent to minutes hand will meet hour hand and it will go 5 divisions ahead. 25 plus 5 into 12 by 11. This is one answer and this is another answer. I hope it is clear. Till 3 problems, don't ask a doubt. First 3 problems, it should be clear to you. One is 240 by 11, another is 360 by 11. past 5 o'clock. Till first 3 problems are over, don't ask me a doubt. After 3, you will not get a doubt. You will not get a doubt. Minutes hand can be behind the hour hand, or minutes hand can be ahead of the hour hand. There are 2 cases that are possible. There are 2 cases that are possible. One is 30 degrees. Next, 60 degrees I will do. 60 I will do. 90 degrees also I will do. So that after these 2, you will not get a point. Step number 1. Step number 1. Total 360 degrees is nothing but 60 divisions. But according to the questions, it is 60 degrees. 360 by 6, 60. 60 by 6 is 10. So it is 10 divisions. Degrees converted into divisions. I want 10 divisions. Step number 2. The question is given as 5 to 6 p.m. That means it will be like this. This is 5 and this is 12. If I cut it, this will be 5 and it will be 12. 5 is at a hour hand. Minutes hand is like this. There are 2 cases. What are the 2 cases? Minutes hand can be behind the hour hand. What is the next case? Minutes hand can be ahead of the hour hand. Time equivalent to. I want, according to the question, 10 divisions. 10 divisions. Actually 12 to 5. 12 to 5 means 5 hours. 5 5s are 25. Out of 25 divisions, I want gap only 10 divisions. First case, it will travel 15. 15 divided by 1 minus 1 by 12. Second case, I want only 10. I want only 10. So it will travel 25 and it will go ahead 10. 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 divided by 1 minus 1 by 12. Please, again I am telling you, 60 degrees is nothing but 10 divisions. I want the gap as 10 divisions. I want the gap as 10 divisions. 5 to 6 p.m. means 12 to 5 is the gap. 12 to 5 is 5 hours. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 12 to 5 is 5 hours. 5 5s are 25. Out of 25, I want 10 divisions. Out of 25, I want 10 divisions. If it is behind, it will travel only 15. If it is forward, already it will travel 25. Fast it will, going forward, it will travel 35. This is the answer for 60 degrees. 2 answers I will get. 15 by 1 minus 1 by 12, 35 by 1 minus 1 by 12. 35 by 1 minus 1 by 12. 90 degrees. Again I am solving. Step number 1. 60 divisions is 360 degrees. 90 degrees, it is nothing but 15 divisions. 15 divisions. I want 15 divisions. Step number 2. This is 5 to 6 p.m. That means our hand has moved from 12 to 5. 5 hours it has already moved. 5 is at our hand. 12 is at minutes hand. 5 hours it has already moved. 5 5s are total 25. Divisions is the gap between 12 and 5. But I want only 15 divisions gap. That means it will travel 10 divisions and it will stop. 10 by 1 minus 1 by 12. Or it will travel entire 25. Go 15 forward. 40 by 1 minus 1 by 12. This is the answer. Now ask me if you got any doubts. Otherwise, I will discuss the single step solution. Single step solution. Any doubt in this method, please ask me. I want 10 divisions. I want 10 divisions. I want 10 divisions. But 12 to 5 gap is 25 divisions. Out of 25, I want 10. Out of 25, I want 10. So either it will be 15 or it will be 25 plus 10, 35. Or it will be 25 plus 10, 35. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. We will do one more example, then I will do method number 2. Then I will do method number 2. Then I will do method number 2. Next, please see this. One more question. One more question. 8 to 9 p.m. 8 to 9 p.m. 120 degrees. 8 to 9 p.m. 120 degrees and 45 degrees. Step number, method 1 is the step by step method. Method 2, single shot, will get the answer. Method 1. Method 1. What is step number 1? There are total 60 divisions. 60 divisions is 360 degrees. 120 degrees is nothing but 360 by 3 is 120. 60 by 3 is 20. 20 divisions. I want 20 divisions. Step number 2. It is 8. 12 to 8. 12 to 8. Our hand has moved from 12 to 8. 8 hours it has moved. 1 hour is 5 division. 8 means it is 40 divisions. 40 divisions. In that 40, I want only 20. So minutes hand will travel 20. 20 by 1 minus 1 by 12. Or I want 20. It will travel 40. Go ahead 20. 40 plus 20 is 60 by 1 minus 1 by 12. 60 by 1 minus 1 by 12. All these are past 8 p.m. is the answer. Previous question, it is past 5 p.m. is the answer. Right? So it is 20 by 1 minus 1 by 12, 60 by 1 minus 1 by 12, 60 by 1 minus 1 by 12. Method 1 is clear. Then I will discuss method 2. Raju, I will explain your good doubt. Good doubt it is, I will explain it. If you have listened to session 1, by this time you should have understood it. Very good doubt, I will explain. Method 2. Please write down method 2. Method 1 is little lengthy method, but conceptual method. Method 1 is lengthy but conceptual. Lengthy but conceptual. Lengthy but conceptual. Method 2. రాంబాబు కొంచెం సౌండ్ తగ్గించు. రాంబాబు సౌండ్ తగ్గించు. Right? Method 2. Method 2. Now see here. That's okay. 5 to 6 p.m. 60, 90, 120, 180. How directly I am writing the answer. 60, 90, 120, 180. Anil Nayar's way to determine the time. Anil Nayar's way to determine the time period if the angle is given. Angle is given. See the answers. See the answers. First point. Our hand is at 5. Time equivalent to 12 hours equivalent to 60 divisions. 12 hours equivalent to 60 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. So 5 5s are 25. Minutes hand can be behind the hour hand or ahead of the hour hand. Plus or minus. 2 cases I will get. 60 degrees. 60 divisions is 360 degrees. 60 degrees, it is 10 divisions. 25 plus or minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 12. So, upar it will become 25 plus or minus 10 into 12 by 11 past 5 p.m. Past 5 p.m. One by one I will explain. Through method 1, the answer will be extremely clear to you. How these 25 we got? Our hand is at 5. If the hour hand is at 5, 1 hour is 5 divisions. 5 into 5. Why we got plus or minus 1? Minutes hand can be behind the hour hand, or minutes hand can be ahead of the hour hand. From where we got these 10, we got it from 60 degrees. From where we got these 12 by 11, denominator is 11 by 12. Denominator is 11 by 12. I hope it is clear. 25 plus or minus 10 into 12 by 11. Into 12 by 11. Right? Right? I hope it is clear, right? Next one. 90. Directly we will write. Our hand is at 5. 25. Minutes hand can be behind, or minutes hand can be ahead. 90 degrees. 60 degrees 360. 90 will be 15. 25 plus or minus 15 into 12 by 11. Second one over. Third one. Time equivalent to. Our hand is at 5. 5 5s are 25. Plus or minus. 60 is 360. 120 will be 20. 25 plus or minus 20 into 12 by 11. Time equivalent to 5 5s are 25. 60 is 360. 180 will be 30. So negative sign, that value, erase it. Direct answer. 10 seconds answer if you know this approach. The only thing is that for me to explain this one, method one is extremely important. I hope everybody understood how I am writing these answers directly. How am I writing these answers directly? Otherwise, you will end up using formulae. Formulae will go for a toss if it is an imaginary clock. What is an imaginary clock concept? You can see the previous session. You can see the previous session. For some period of time, my classes will be made public. After some period, it will be made private and it is given only to the enrolled students. Because students' mentality is, sir will keep all the videos public, sir will not keep all the videos public, right? And I will ensure that everybody puts their effort to learn the concepts. I believe that freeness does not create that excitement or interest, right? You pay for it, then you will understand the value for it. I hope everything it is clear. Balaji asks a question. Balaji says angle must be 8 to 9 p.m. Then answer must be 60 into 1 minus 1 by 12. For which angle it is, Balaji? Your statement is incorrect. What you wrote is semantically incorrect. First of all, you did not mention which angle it is. 8 to 9 p.m. time period is right. For which angle you are saying the answer? Right? For which angle you are saying the answer? Right? Now, Arun, you have asked a good doubt. I will explain for how to write it like this. Suppose 5 to 6 p.m. it is 90 degrees. So time period is 5 5s are 25 plus or minus 15 into 12 by 11 past 5 p.m. This is the answer. Just past 5 o'clock. How to convert into fraction? 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 into 12 by 11, which is 480 by 11. 11 4s are 44. 40. 11 3s are 33. 43 7 by 11. So first answer is 543 7 by 11. Second answer is 25 minus 15 10. 10 into 12 by 11. 10 into 12 by 11 is 120 by 11. It is 10 10 by 11. So answer for this question is 5 10 10 by 11. I hope, Arun, it is clear to you how to convert this fraction. Now 1 minute. Balaji says it is for 120 degrees. Which time it is? 8 to 9 p.m. If it is 8 to 9 p.m., Balaji, for you, if it is 120 degrees, 8 5s are 40, plus or minus 60 division 360, 120 it is 40, 40 plus or minus 20 into 12 by 11. So what did you say? 40 plus 20 is 60 into 12 by 11. Next it is 20 into 12 by 11. Answer must be these values. Everybody, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Why it is 25 plus or minus 5? Our hand is at 5. So our hand will go 5 divisions. 5 5s are 25. Why it is plus or minus? Our hand is behind minutes hand, or our hand minutes hand behind our hand, minutes hand ahead of our hand. From where we got 15? 90 degrees in divisions is 15. Denominator is 11 by 12. Numerator is 12 by 11. I hope it is clear. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you. Let us solve some practice questions. 7 to 8 p.m. 45 degrees. 3 to 4 p.m. 120 degrees. 10 to 11 p.m. 10 to 11 p.m. 90 degrees. 10 to 11 p.m. 90 degrees. 10 to 11 p.m. 90 degrees. Tell this answer. First one, 7 5s are 35 plus or minus 60 divisions 360. 45 degrees is by 8, 7.5. 35 plus or minus 7.5 into 12 by 11. Time equivalent to 15 plus or minus 60 is 360. 15 plus or minus 20 into 12 by 11. Third one, 60 is 360. 90 is 15. 50 plus or minus 15 into 12 by 11. All you will get it. 60 into 12 is 72. 72 divided by 11. 72 divided by 11 is 65 5 by 11. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Everybody, is it clear? I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Then all the questions you can solve it just by writing the answer. Directly you can write the answer. Directly you can write the answer. Concept 7. Please write down. Concept 7. Concept 7. Mirror image of clock. Mirror image based problems. Mirror image. Mirror image based problems. Cherry, you are going back to the basics. We want time period d by s1 minus s2. If it is 5 to 6 p.m. 90 degrees, this is nothing but 25 plus or minus 60 degrees 360. 90 degrees it is 15 divided by speed of our hand and speed of minute hand is 1 minus 1 by 12. 1 minus 1 by 12 in numerator is 25 plus or minus 5 into 12 by 11. Over answer. Next one. Mirror image questions. Mirror image questions. Concept 7. Concept 7. Mirror image questions. Mirror image questions. Now see here. Suppose there is a clock. This is at 12 o'clock. The clock is showing 2 o'clock. The clock is showing 2 o'clock. I kept a mirror here. If I keep a mirror, this will show 10 o'clock. Am I right? Directly it is a mirror image. It will show 10 o'clock. That means if I call it as theta, this is nothing but 12 hours minus theta. Please write down. Mirror image timing is, that means, first write down this. If it is theta, in the mirror image, it will show 12 hours minus theta. 12 hours minus theta it will be shown. That means, if I call it as angle and mirror angle, MA is mirror angle. MA is our time period, we will see. Right? I think it is clear, right? Time period. Now take an example. time period, time period, time period in mirror image, time period in mirror image, time period in mirror image, time period in mirror image. If it is 5 p.m., 12 minus 5 is 7 p.m. If it is 8 a.m., 12 minus 4 is 8 a.m. If it is 5:35 p.m., this is nothing but 6:25 p.m., which is nothing but 12 minus 5:35. If it is 9:25 p.m., this will be 2:35 a.m. or p.m. 12 minus 9:25, which is 2:35, which is 2:35. Time period and the time period in mirror image, if I do both, all should result in 12 o'clock. All the things should be resulting in 12 o'clock. Why? Because exactly at 12 o'clock it will create the shape of a mirror. At 12 o'clock is like this. Anything that is like this is called the mirror image. Anything which is like this, it is called the water image. This is called the water image. This is called the mirror image. We are taking the mirror images. This is mirror image and this is water image. This is water image. I hope it is clear. 5 p.m., 12 minus 5, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 5:35, 12 minus 9:25, 12 minus 9:25. Anything which is vertical, which is mirror, horizontal, which is water. Horizontal and vertical. I hope it is clear. Clocks, variety of questions which we have discussed. Now write down topic 2.